Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying each error and loosening glued seams so you can correct alignment. Use a spray bottle to moisten just the seam. This softens adhesive without saturating the wall. Then insert a thin putty knife or old credit card at the seam and gently lift, only enough to reposition. Once done, align the pattern visually, press with your fingertips, and follow with a seam roller to expel air. Make sure to keep a damp sponge nearby to remove excess paste immediately. You now tackle bubbles and excess edges. For pinhole bubbles, pierce with a fine needle and press outward toward the nearest seam. This releases trapped air while preserving adhesion. For larger bubbles, lift the section enough to apply a thin film of paste, then smooth with a plastic squeegee from center to edge. When trimming, hold the blade at a 45-degree angle and cut slowly to avoid tearing. Once trimmed, wipe away paste with a damp sponge so seams bond cleanly. You finish by ensuring full adhesion and addressing persistent flaws. Roll each seam firmly with a silicone roller, then clean any paste with a damp sponge. Blot stains rather than rubbing to avoid smearing. Apply a thin bead of clear seam adhesive under any lifted edge, press and clamp briefly with painter's tape. Once done, allow 24 to 48 hours for the paste and adhesive to cure. Troubleshooting tip: if a pattern mismatch won't correct, cut a small patch from left.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.